Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're checking out the RYOBI 21 HP on thick, tall, wet grass. Here we go. So look how tall that grass is. That grass is pretty tall. Now, there was a time when this lawnmower didn't seem like it was going to cut this tall grass, but I figured it out really quick. You just have to modify how you're doing your job a little bit. Same with a gas mower. If it's too tall, you just have to cut half a path instead of the whole thing. Take a little bit of load off the motor. It's just less hassle, that's all. You just fold it down, push the button, and away you're going. Mowing, mowing, mowing. Well, guys, I'm mowing the lawn one-handed here. One hand on the GoPro, one hand on the lawnmower. Now, when that thing kicks up, you know you're pushing it a little bit hard. And if you keep pushing it, it'll turn itself off to protect itself. Something you don't want to do very long. You don't want to push your equipment. Unless you got a backup plan. So can you mow your lawn one-handed? Yes. It's a beautiful early morning out here, sun shining, grass is growing, and we got things to do, so might as well get the lawn mowed early. I let it go a little bit longer than normal. I was going to do it Saturday, but I ended up working on the washing machine instead. If you've seen that project, I got some parts ordered. I got to order a drum nut for it and get it back together.